I gotta do it, y'all. I'm switching back to the yoke. As you can see from the title, today we got a couple more mods for the Tesla Model Y Performance that I'll be installing today. Today's video is sponsored by EV Base. They sent me some wheel covers for the Tesla Model Y Performance, but today they sent me a front splitter. So the front splitter is gonna go on the front of the car. Obviously, it's gonna go right on the front bumper, and it's gonna give the car a much more aggressive look compared to what it looks like stock. I miss the yoke now, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta switch back to the yoke today, and today I'm gonna do a full tutorial kind of showing you guys how to change the steering wheel on the Tesla Model Y. I'm pretty sure it's probably the same for the Tesla Model 3 since they use a lot of the same components. You'll need 2 screwdrivers or something thin. On the back of each steering wheel are these 2 holes, and all they do is push these clips that you see on the inside and release the airbag. So that's the first thing you gotta do, is release the airbag. And then you'll need something like this with a 10mm hex bit at the end of it. All right, so first thing you're gonna wanna do is power the car off. You open the Tesla menu, you click safety, scroll all the way to the bottom and hit power off. It'll power the car off, and then now you can take the airbag out. The airbag will be attached by this yellow safety cord here. So these clips can be a little tough to get out, so you might want to get something like this. Now that is your airbag. Let's put that to the side. And then the steering wheel controls are connected by a purple plug. All right, so now that's unplugged. All right, so now let's take this 10mm hex. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my knees to hold the steering wheel so the wheel doesn't turn. So just give it a good, torque. It's a chunky bolt right there. And now you should be able to just slide the steering wheel right off. So the next step, so all the electronics that are in the steering wheel, you're gonna have to replace that and put it inside your new steering wheel. All right, so if you look at the back of the steering wheel, there are gonna be some like clips here. So all you gotta do is like undo these clips, and then you'll be able to take this out, or at least move it out the way. It's just a matter of getting all these screws out. Some of them are slightly covered. All right, guys, so this is what you want. This is what you want right here. This is your controls and your connection to your airbag and stuff. So you take this out and you put it in your new steering wheel. And slide off the control. Just be careful. You don't want to break anything. All right, so I got my screwdriver here. Let's go ahead and first of all get these out. All right, so we got these 2 pieces separated. This is what you need. So I'm gonna put this right back over here. Now it's time to reassemble the yoke. Attach this back to the yoke. Press it in. Make sure that these cords are not being crushed or anything. Put some pressure on it. Before I click these back in, I'm gonna go ahead and screw down the fascia. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Has not failed me yet. All right, now that we have these connected, the next thing to do is to connect back the airbag springs and make sure they snap in correctly. There we go. Really add some pressure to it. Hey, so you gotta hear those clicks. That clicks will let you know that it's securely fastened to the actual steering wheel. All right, guys, so hardest part of the install is over. All we have to do now is reattach the steering wheel, right? And then you connect your controls back, right? So for your scroll wheels. And then before you put the airbag in, do not forget the safety bolt. Safety bolt holds the steering wheel to the actual vehicle, right? You take your torque wrench. Is this a torque wrench? What you call this? Whatever you call it, with the 10mm. And you're gonna tighten that up. All right, so next things next is the airbag. Reconnect the airbag. Remember, you want your vehicle off, and then reconnect, and we're back in business. All right, so we got the steering wheel changed out. Next thing we're gonna do is add a front splitter to the front of the car. EV Base, shout out to you. It looks like y'all threw in a little thank you card. Thank you for your purchase. Your support means the world to me. I hope this package brightens up your days. I appreciate that. Thanks EV Base once again for sending out this splitter. And I love that they're carbon fiber. The carbon fiber matches the wing caps that I have. All right, so here it is. This is what it looked like more or less on the car. There's space for 4 clips at the bottom of the car, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take those clips off, attach the front bumper, re-put the clips on. Whew, I am out here sweating like crazy. Finally got the 3 pieces connected. All right, so last step. I am burning up in the sun right now. I can't do mods in the summertime, man. I gotta do all my mods in the wintertime now because this is unbearable. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you like this video, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. I also picked up the Tesla key fob. You hold it and then you press the front and now it's driving by itself. This is crazy. There's nobody in this car. If you've been looking for a body kit, definitely check out EV Base. This front splitter reminds me of the one that I saw on Adro Inc. If you want to pick this splitter up, go ahead and check the link in my description and tell them that Rahiem sent you. Use code RT24 and you'll get a nice little discount.